Hello guys, I'm Dell. This is Kathleen. Welcome from HeyMe Lashes. Today we will show the magnetic eyelashes and the magnetic eyeliner. You can see this is one piece is magnetic eyeliner and one piece is tweezers. And you can see this is one box with eyelashes. Yeah, you can see this.
Okay.
This is magnetic eyelashes. Okay. Okay, you can see. The magnetic is on eyelashes.
This is five pieces magnet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. We also have 5 styles magnetic eyelashes set. You can see.
Wow. This is 5 styles lashes. It's very popular in the market.
Yeah. It's very popular and luxury. Okay. We also can support eyelashes and eyeliner tweezers. We also can custom your logo on books. Okay, you can see. We can custom your logo on this.
Okay, great. Yeah.
Yeah, and we also have this books, and we also custom your logo and brand name on this.
Okay, can you show me another side?
Okay.
Another side. 反面. Yeah, it looks very luxury.
Yeah. Okay. Let me show the eyelashes how to work.
Okay, great.
Okay. First, you can see we should shock.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you can see this is eyeliner.
用手挡一下。Yeah, great. Okay.
Okay, you can see like this.
Wow.
Okay.
那眉毛弄一下。
Okay, please you can.
眉毛弄得多温柔。
Okay, great. Because I am man.
You are man,
yeah. Man. This is woman.
Yeah, you are white man.
Okay, please wait 2 minutes or 2 minutes or 3 minutes.
Waiting for the drying.
Yeah.
Dry, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. 对，你的也给大家看一下。Yeah, like couple of boy and girlfriends.
Yeah. This is good.
Okay. So guys, now we are waiting some minutes, so make the eyeliner drying. And later we will make the eyelash on the eyeliner. 就等一会儿行了，你们可以介绍别的。
Okay. You can see the books. We also can put your logo label on this.
Yeah.
Like this. We can put the logo Our eyelashes tool on this.
Okay.
Okay, and you can see these books have 镜子是
Mirror.
Yeah.
Box of
Yeah.
the books.
on books. This is very luxury.
Yeah.
And very beautiful. You can see this is rose color.
Rose golden.
Rose gold color.
Yeah. Yeah, this color is also very popular now.
Okay. You can see this set on the package.
Looks very nice.
And you can see this.
Yeah, sure.
This books is very luxury than this.
Yeah.
And we can send the package to my friend and to our custom.
Yeah.
And we can wear the eyelashes to party and everyday life, and we can wear eyelashes. Okay, you can say. Okay, you can.
看了哈。
Okay. Please use tweezer and put eyelashes on the eyeliner. Okay. 你可以调整一下。
对，哎，调整一下。
调整一下，把这个毛稍微捋一下。Okay. We can use lashes brush. It's very beautiful.
Yes. 对，角度不同角度展示一下。对。对。
Okay, great. And you can see this is 你就是说牢固或者是稳，或者是磁性比较强，你可以。
这个怎么说呢？叫magnetic is very strong, right?
Yes.
吹一吹。
It's very good. Our product quantity is very good. You can see.
Yes.
换一下，
直接换成
使劲，可以使劲换。Yeah, quantity is very good. And you can follow us and add our WhatsApp to dim the price.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. The first we can shock, and the second we use the eyeliner brush on our hair.
Yeah.
But I really
Yeah, I know. I know. Yeah.
So we can put eyeliner on in your ears.
Yes.
And wait 2 minutes or 5 minutes, and it wait.
Yes.
Wait, and we can put the eyelashes on our eyeliner on it.
Yeah.
And you can see our lashes. It's very beautiful. Yes, and this style is really
Yeah, I know. This style is very popular. I know. Yeah.
And you can see this.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, good. And we can put use finished. We can put the tweezer on hooks. Yeah. Very.
把它揪一揪，然后揪下来以后，
You can see this. You can see. Okay.
用手搓一下。 手指打开，给大家看看，反过来，OK， 然后用那个擦一下吧。
用水擦，卸妆液卸成水，这东西会。
使劲一下。
先擦一下吗？
擦一点。
擦一点。慢慢擦。
OK， 可以，对，慢慢擦。
然后横着擦。
对。
Yes, it's very lidic. Oh, you can see this. Yes,
Okay,
it's very
so before, so the magnetic eyelash has the tool, but now we use the eyelash liner, so it's very convenient for beautiful girls. Yeah, beautiful girls. So if you like our magnetic eyelash and magnetic eyeliner, so you can follow us. You can contact our sales. Yeah, we can give you the best prices. Yeah, please remember, now it's very, very, very hot selling in the market. So let's make the money together.
Bye. 有点尴尬。